Ready to take back control of your privacy and unlink your phone number from Aisensy and Facebook? First, let's tackle Aisensy. Open the Aisensy app on your phone, then navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on a 3-line or gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look for an option like Profile, Account Information, or Linked Accounts and tap it. Next, you will want to select the phone number. Find your phone number listed, and tap on the Edit or Remove button next to it. You may need to confirm that you want to remove the number and follow any on-screen prompts for verification. Now, let's move on to Facebook. Open the Facebook app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which will open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This takes you to where you can adjust your Facebook settings. In the Settings menu, look for Security and Login, or Personal Information, or you can use the search bar and type phone number, then tap on phone number. Here, you'll see your linked phone number. Tap on Remove and Facebook might ask you to confirm your decision with your password or another verification method. Confirm the removal and follow any additional prompts to finalize the process. Remember that unlinking your number may affect how Facebook contacts you for certain features, so ensure you have alternative contact methods set up. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your phone number from both Aisensy and Facebook, increasing your privacy control. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.